Hello, King Helium here. Thanks for sticking with me a little bit. You can find out that I'm not as snobby as I usually am, but actually I rather am. I'm a noble guy. I don't like to react to a lot of things. I have 2 valence electrons, and these are my initials, He. I have to keep a slim figure because look at my atomic weight. It's rather light, second lightest on the periodic table. I have the highest ionization energy of any in the periodic table of land. And then my dear brother fluorine has the highest electronegativity, but he can't be with us today. Now, me and my superior, hydrogen, we don't really follow the octet rule. Well, actually we do. Since I have 2 valence electrons, I either want 2 or 0. So I'm going to be happy with 2, while hydrogen will be happy with 0. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Cole. I have 27 electrons and 27 protons. I'm very fat. I am 58.933 AMUs, or atomic mass units. My initials are CO, because I'm just a corporate executive, or cobalt. Yeah, you know what I mean. I can go with cobalt and chloride, which is cobalt chloride, and then cobalt, which is cobalt, nickel, and iron. Today, we are doing iron and cobalt for the alloys.
Hello, my name is Iron. My initials are Phi, as in like female, or Iron Man, pretty much. My atomic number is 26. My atomic mass is pretty large. It's 55.845, but we can round down or up. When I bond with iron chloride, I make iron chloride. When I bond with iron and cobalt, I make an alloy, and I make covar, but that also involves nickel. And then when iron and carbon bond, we make cast iron.
Chlorine has the atomic number of 17 and the atomic weight of 35.45, which means that it has 17 protons, 8 neutrons, and 17 electrons. It is usually found in the gas form that is a very deep green color. After chlorine and the rest of the atoms were freed from King Helium's rule, potassium bonded with him and made potassium chloride, as explained beforehand. But sometimes the polyatomic ion of chlorate will meet with potassium to make potassium chlorate. Chlorate consists of chlorine and 3 oxygen atoms. Also, once they were freed from King Helium's rule, chlorine has the option to bond with cobalt and iron to make cobalt-2 chloride or iron-2 chloride.
After everybody was free from King Helium's land, Princess Potassium was one of the many potassium elements. Her atomic weight is 39.098. She also goes by K. While running away from King Helium's land, she met up with chlorine, which made potassium chloride, which the bond is KCl, which you have potassium and then chlorine, which chlorine has 7 valence electrons, potassium has 1. Potassium gave 1 valence electron, so they can both be happy together. Also, the other potassium element got was sodium, which made an alloy, which was Ka.
All must kneel before King Helium.
What's the matter with you? Just got me to my throne.
Don't ever do it again!
You know, I'm actually quite tired of you not kneeling before me once I enter a room. But oh, it's like this time. May I have your sword? Because I just want you to go fetch my pet whiskers out of the cage. I don't like sharp objects around it because it gets a little bit touchy. You know what I mean? Captain Cobalt, thank you. This is iron and this is chlorine. They are to escort you to your sleeping quarters. And next time we'll kneel, won't we? Oh, God.
Yes.
And we will stay in there until we learn some loyalty, do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Alright. Chlorine, iron, follow me. Chlorine, since you did such a lovely job on killing that peasant, or Christian rather, I would like to knight you with the royal name tag. You are my right-hand man, and you have 7 valence electrons, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Good, good, good. Now you need to find a royal princess with 1 valence electron, and you can make happy days. It's beautiful. Now, out of my presence, Mr. Whisker. Thank you, Iron, so much for escorting ex-Captain Cobalt. He's been stripped from the title. And we'll learn next time to kneel, won't we?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Have a good day. Thank you for naming us with the last part I do. My new Captain Glory, how are you doing? Thank you for holding me, Mr. Whisker. You know, I can't believe Cobalt wouldn't kneel. I actually grow rather tired of him. Will you go get him for me?
Oh, certainly, sir.
What are you doing?
I have to grab Cobalt for the king.
We should talk.
About what?
You should be happy as the king is.
I am happy.
Not as happy as you could be.
7 valence electrons is a lot more than anyone else has in this kingdom.
I only have 2, but I have the potential to make 8. So do you.
That is true. There are more of us than there is of him. We could overtake him.
I took this from the king. It's the key. We can break him out.
We must. Breaking you out, Cobalt.
Yes, you did.
To destroy the one thing that makes the king happy. His pet balloon. Take the dagger and you know what to do. We'll make sure the king is in the room.
Alright, Cobalt. We'll have to put this plan into action. What you're going to do is you're going to go back into the prison, and then, once you do that, we're going to distract the king. And once he's away from his royal pet, I think you know what to do from there. Alright, are we all ready? Okay.
All right.
Alright, let's go.
King! King! The prisoner's on! The prisoner's king! We have to get out now! We have to find him! Out there! All of us! Let's go! Oh, my royal feet are killing me.
Where have you been? I've been waiting here for 3 freaking hours. There was a troll in the dungeon.
A troll! Gods! This is the man! Get him! Bring him to his knees. What's going on?
I think we should all be happy. We should either have 0 or 8 electrons for your punishment.
Why, Mr. Whisker?
Do them all. Sir, we need to have a talk. We need to have a talk about the Octet Treaty.
What is the Octet Treaty?
Bring him over.
Up you go.
Come with us. Sit here. Newly acquired pheasant.
I have business to attend to, so I'll leave you guys to it.
Princess Potassium there, I have your Octet treaties.
You need to read this.
Oh. Well, this says that all elements, in order to be happy, they have to either have 0 or 8 valence electrons.
Yes.
What do you want me to do with this?
I need you to sign it.
Why would I sign it? I'm the only one that's happy. That's all that matters is that I'm happy.
So
Sir, if you do
Ooh.
plan to live, then you will sign this treaty.
Well, I plan to live, so I reckon I will sign it, but, you see, I can't write my name.
How are you a king? You're illiterate.
Write this for me! Thank you, that is a horrible handwriting. It's like a chicken wing. Alright.
All kneel before King Helium.
He said kneel! 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 Thank you! Escort me to my throne! Where's my throne? Bring me my cloak. Thank you.
All must kneel before King Helium.
He said kneel! Kneel! On the knees! Now escort me to my friend. I'm really tired of you not kneeling before the royal helium. But I'll let it slide this time. Fetch me my pet balloon.
What did they do?
Thank you. These are your guards now. They are to escort you to your sleeping quarters. You understand? Get them!
I just got